बच्चे खड़े हैं जो अचीवर हैं, हाईएस्ट परसेंटेज अचीवर हैं, और टीचर्स भी हैं यहाँ पे। लेकिन हम लोग कुछ बच्चों से बात करेंगे कि आखिर उनका क्या मानना है, क्या सोचना है, क्योंकि एक बड़ा प्रश्न ये बनता है कि अगर बच्चे देहात के स्कूलों में पढ़ रहे हों, वहाँ पे कैसे 94%, कैसे 95%, कैसे हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट में टॉप 3, टॉप 5 में शामिल हो जाएं या 90% मार्क्स पा जाएं। ये सब एक बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि लोगों का पूरा मानना है कि शहर में ही ये संभव है। हम बहुत पैसे खर्च करेंगे, लाखों खर्च करेंगे, तब जाके बच्चे इतने नंबर ला पाएंगे। लेकिन बहुत कम फीस में, बहुत कम संसाधन गार्जियन का लगता है, उसमें यह बच्चे पढ़ के अपने आप को प्रूफ किए हैं। तो अभी हम लोग जानने की कोशिश करते हैं बच्चों से भी जो है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मिस्टर मास्टर, व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम?
So my name is Sanjeev Kumar. Today I stand before you filled with immense pride and heartfelt gratitude as a student of class 10th. I personally believe that scoring great.
First of all, what your percentage of marks in class 10th board examination?
So I scored 90% in board exam, and all thanks goes to my teachers who supported me throughout this and making this journey a wonderful. And I am especially thankful to the principal sir for providing such a wonderful platform which helped me to ace in the class 10th board exam.
Sometime I also come to know by some student that ki principal sir also used to motivate you when you are demotivated by some other sources. He used to motivate you also. He also give you personal motivation in office also.
Yes sir, it is true that while I was demotivated in the class 9, he used to call me in his office and always used to motivate me and tells me not to go on the wrong way. And he was one of the people who encouraged me to study much better, and because of his support I was able to score successfully.
So finally, what you are thinking, what you want to become in your future?
So I want to become a doctor in the future, but I am taking PCMB because I have also great interest in math subject. So that's why I'm taking PCMB and I would like to pursue in medical.
See, एक बड़ी बात बताऊं, ये बच्चे इसी देहात एरिया से हैं और इनकी सोच और इनके अंदर जो परिवर्तन हुआ है ये इस संस्था का ही देन है। आइए हम और कुछ बच्चों से जानते हैं। What's your good name?
My name is Raj Dubey.
How much percentage you secure in class 10 board examination?
In class 10 board examination, I scored 94%.
So what's your opinion?
First of all, with the sign of aesthetic heart and the bottomness of my heart, I am very grateful and thankful to all the academic organizers, respected teachers, and especially to principal sirs who provide me such a huge platform to express my words, to express my talents. Although I had spent almost 10 years in this school, and also I decided to continue my class 11th and 12th schooling from this school. And since whatever any problem when in my life arose, then I directly consult with the Vikas sir, and he always tried to consolidate that problem and eradicate as soon as possible. Also, the teacher of class 10th had provided me a lot of guidance, especially Satyaketu sir, who had personally guided me not only in my academic journey but also in my personal life. He is not a teacher, he is actually an incredible mentor that we cannot say or we cannot put her experience in some words actually. And that's all.
Okay, what you want to become in your future?
I want to become engineer. After qualifying JEE examination, I took a PCMB branch in my class 11th, and I decided to give both the examination of NEET and engineering, that is JEE. I will also give another examinations such as CUT or NDA examinations, and that's all.
ये सब बातें जो आप सुन पा रहे हैं ना, ये सारे बच्चे इस ग्रामीण अंचल से ही आए हैं जिनकी ABCD से शुरुआत अगर कहीं हुई है तो लॉर्ड एकेडमी से ही हुई है। यहाँ से इन्होंने ABCD पढ़ना सीखा है और आज ये 10th आते आते अपनी बातों को अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस कर पा रहे हैं।